Yo guys, so I know that you are aware that I'm asking people here in Canada to know and ask them which is better, if it's Canada or the country. So right now I'm going to one of my customers in Luxwax. So let's go.
2,000 years later.
Ayan, so kasama ko po ngayon si Ate
Venus!
Ayan, so taga Pilipinas din po siya, nagtagalog na kami. Ayan, so ate, may tanong lang po ako, in terms of work, ano po ang mas better, Canada or Philippines?
Meron akong dalawang perspective. Kasi I have a business in the Philippines.
Oh.
Pero, ang income namin is US dollars.
Oh,
so I prefer nasa Pinas in terms of business.
Yes.
But in terms of work, mas okay dito kasi yung culture, hindi masyadong toxic, like, you know, mga Filipinos. Some, hindi naman lahat, or some lang. So, mas gusto ko dito, and since galing kami ng UAE din, mas prefer ko yung work culture here.
Here ate,
yeah.
UAE or Canada? Canada pa rin?
Canada pa din.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So, the best yun natin,
Yeah.
nasa Pinas kayo, tapos yung business nyo kumikita ng USD. Pero pumunta pa rin po sila ng Canada, guys. So, next question natin. In terms of salary, Canada or Philippines?
So again, since nga nasa US yung business namin nakabase, mas okay kung nasa Pinas.
Kasi
pero, since meron kaming baby, mas okay sa akin na nandito. So when you're trying to grow your family, I think mas okay sa Canada. So then I think yung next question will be about life.
It will be about life, Canada or Philippines?
Canada.
Yeah.
There's a lot of perks kapag meron kayong babies, or yun nga, if you're trying to start a family, okay here.
Canada pa rin.
Canada pa rin.
So yun nga ate, anong may papayo mo sa mga kababayan natin na gustong pumunta dito sa Canada?
So, I know it's hard. Kakailangan ninyo ng maraming pera, maraming pasensya, and there's a lot of restrictions right now. Just keep trying because hindi naman porket maraming restriction, iyon na yung end. So, there will be another restriction at some point, pero makakapasok pa din. So, kung para sa'yo talaga, magkakaroon way. Yes.
Yun lamang. Thank you ate. So, pakita natin yung baby niya.
Go!
Hi baby!
Nilalamig na yan.
Can you come here? What's your name?
Santino!
Your name is Santino? How old are you? Oh, you're shy? You're shy? High five! High five! Yay! Okay, yun lamang guys. Follow for more. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yay! Yun, so before I forgot guys, yan, ang lamig kasi kanina sa labas kaya nakalimutan ko tuloy. Yan, sa mga gusto pong sumagot din, mag-share ng kanilang experience, sa mga gusto pong sumagot ng mga tanong natin, PM nyo lang po ako guys, pupuntahan ko po kayo. Kung malayo, yan, we can schedule it via Zoom. Ayan, okay, yun lamang po. Ayan, thank you, please follow for more. And thank you and God bless everyone.